Everyone, this is Professor Derek A. Smith, and I want to welcome you to another CISSP Exam Essential. Today's Essential number 42. We're going to talk about understand how the principle of least privilege, separation of privilege, and accountability apply to computer architecture. Also, you need to be able to explain what covert channels are. You need to understand what buffer overflows and input checking are, and describe common flaws to security architectures. Let's begin with the first one. The principle of least privilege ensures that only a minimum number of processes are authorized to run in supervisory mode. That means that they're running a mode that can control everything on your computer. Separation of privilege increases the granularity of secure operations, and accountability ensures that an audit trail exists to trace operations back to their source. Next, you need to be able to explain what covert channels are. So a covert channel is any method that is used to pass information, but that is not normally used for information. So you're going around what's normally put in place for you to pass information, therefore making it a covert or unknown channel. Next is understand what buffer overflows and input checking are. A buffer overflow occurs when the programmer fails to check the size of input data prior to writing the data into a specific memory location. In fact, any failure to validate input data could result in a security violation. And finally, we want to describe common flaws to security architectures. In addition to buffer overflows, programmers can leave backdoors and privileged programs on a system after it is deployed. Even well-written systems can be susceptible to time of check to time of use, or TOC/TTOU attacks. Any state change can be a potential window of opportunity for an attacker to compromise a system. All right, folks, that's enough for today. That's Essential number 42. If you want to get CISSP live training from home, go check out my website at getcissspcertified.com for more information. I'll see you in the next CISSP Essential.